We have featured a wide range of action cameras here, with each packing at least a few special features that would impress any adventure enthusiast. But most of these amazing gadgets tend to fall short in terms of one key property that should be really useful when shooting stunning footage in motion. We believe that a strong GPS capability, which helps capture data like distance, height, and speed accurately, is a great property for any action camera. And if you agree with us, our product today should really interest you. To assure you of this action camera's credentials, it comes from a company synonymous with groundbreaking GPS technology, Garmin.
Here we go!
Garmin's VIRB Ultra 30 action camera is an easy-to-use Ultra HD action camera, which not only helps capture spectacular images and videos, but also adds to the experience by letting you overlay gauges and graphs with the action data. Let's begin with the image quality, the prime factor anyone should consider when deciding on their next camera purchase. The VIRB Ultra 30 has you covered in this department, with the ability to capture crystal clear 4K footage at 30 frames per second, 1080p at 120 frames per second, or even slow motion at 720p at 240 frames per second. Even if you are shooting on rough terrain, it keeps your video smooth and steady with its 3-axis image stabilization. It also has a high sensitivity microphone to capture clear audio, whether it is in or out of its waterproof case. Controlling any gadget while you are on the move is difficult, and to aid you, there is the 1.75-inch display that lets you see what you were recording at all times. To make things even easier, it comes with a voice control feature that lets you start and stop recording, or even take a picture and tag it with a simple spoken command while you are busy doing your thing. And the simple one-touch YouTube HD live streaming feature for Apple devices allows you to instantly share your HD videos in real time using the VIRB app. And finally, the sensors. The VIRB Ultra 30's built-in sensors and GPS capture performance data, effectively helping you relive your best action experience later. So, if you are skiing down a mountain, you have data for speed, rotations in air, and wind chill. If you are sailing on water, you have information on boat drift, water depth, and wind speed, all being captured. We could go on. Adding accurate sensory data capture to an already super efficient camera has turned the Garmin VIRB Ultra 30 into a very strong player in the action cam market. Let's see how it performs in the user reviews. It has earned an average score of 3.7 on 5 stars from a little over 100 reviews, which is not bad at all. The G-metrics data and the image quality are definitely strong points, but a common complaint seems to be with the battery life. The camera might not be ideal for very long shooting sessions in one go, but scores very highly otherwise. That's about all we have on the Garmin VIRB Ultra 30 action camera for now. Check out the description below for links to some of the lowest prices on the web for this gadget. Looking for something else? Take a look at our other wearable camera reviews here on Next Tech Review. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button.